Hi, let's make mead. I'm going to be showing you a pretty simple recipe for a sweet mead. Let's focus on making a gallon. You're going to need a bung, which is this rubber stopper, and then an airlock. Here's 5 pounds of honey. We're going to use about 3 1/3, and the amount of water you're going to be using is about 3 quarts. And then I have an American ale yeast, Safale US-05. This mead won't really get above a 12% ABV. Some other things that'll be helpful: a siphon and sanitizer. You can heat up the water to about body temperature to dissolve the honey, or you can just brute force it. Take gravity readings. Your mead could be done in 2 weeks. It could be done in a month. It all depends. Put your yeast into your carboy, you make sure that there's sanitary water inside your airlock, and then you wait. We like to use a yeast nutrient to help the mead along. We use Fermaid O, and we do that every day for 3 days, and then wait a week and then put it in one last time. So, are you ready to make some mead?